Water clarity is not just a lure color chart. The useful question is simpler. How far can a base see, and how close does your bait need to get before that fish can commit? In clear water, the fish gets time. It can inspect line, profile, speed, and whether the bait looks natural. That does not mean clear water is bad. It means mistakes stay visible longer. Long casts, lighter line, natural colors, and cleaner movement matter more. In stained water, the window gets shorter. The bait is still visible, but not from far away. This is often the best all-around clarity because it gives the base enough visibility to hunt while hiding enough of your mistakes. You can use more contrast, a little more vibration, and a more direct retrieve. In muddy water, the strike zone compresses. The fish may not see the bait until it is close. Now the bait needs a stronger signal: vibration, displacement, contrast, sound, or contact with cover. The point is not to make the lure louder for no reason. The point is to make it findable. That is why color is only one part of the clarity decision. A natural green pumpkin bait can be perfect in clear water. A black and blue bait may make sense in mud, but profile, speed, depth, and contact often matter just as much. Clarity also changes where fish position. In clear water, base may hold deeper, use shade, or follow from a distance before committing. In stained water, they can stay shallower and use edges more confidently. In muddy water, they often tighten to hard cover, current breaks, grass, wood, docks, or anything that gives them a short ambush lane. The biggest logging mistake is riding clear, stained, or muddy and stopping there. A better note says, 2 feet of visibility, wind pushing stain into a grass edge, bites on a slow rolling spinnerbait, fish tight to the outside clumps. That gives you a pattern you can actually reuse. Here is the practical move on the water. If you can see the bait from 6 feet away, assume the fish can study it. Make longer casts, clean up the profile, and avoid moving faster than the fish can track naturally. If you can see it from 2 feet away, you can usually fish more directly. Cover water, hit edges, and let contrast help the fish make the decision. If you can barely see the bait at all, stop thinking about beauty and start thinking about contact. Deflect it off wood, tick the grass, bump the rock, or put vibration close enough for the fish to locate. Also watch the transition lines. A mud line, a stained edge, or a clearer pocket inside dirty water can be better than either extreme. Base often use the edge because bait gets trapped there and visibility changes quickly. Clarity is also local. The back of a creek can be muddy while the main lake is clear. A wind-blown bank can stain up by lunch. Rain can create a mud line, and that edge can be more important than either side by itself. So do not treat water clarity as a static label. Read it as distance. How far can the fish see? How fast can your bait move? How much signal does the bait need? How tight does the fish need to be to cover before it can feed? In Bassai, log water clarity, sky, wind, cover, depth, lure color, lure speed, and the exact place where the bite happened. Over time, you are not trying to learn that one color is magic. You are learning how much signal your fish needed in that exact water.